Hey everybody, Marcel here from Tyger Auto, and today we're going to show you guys how to install a hitch-mounted platform bike rack to the back of your vehicle. Now what's so special about this rack? Well, this rack will hold up to 4 bikes with a payload of 33 pounds apiece. Now if you've got a 2-inch receiver and you've got 4 bikes that you need to haul around, let's get started on showing you guys how to put this thing all together. First of all, review the installation manual to make sure that all the parts and tools are accounted for. After that, we start with installing the main rack assembly to the receiver. Then install the hitch lock pin from the passenger side to the driver's side with the provided wrench. Make sure the pin is tightened as much as possible. Try wiggling around the hitch to find that loose space and then tighten the pin again. To secure the pin, you have 2 options, either the provided key lock or the safety clip. Next, on to installing the crossbar assembly. To gain access to the bottom side of the bar, release the pin to tilt the entire unit. Finish by capping the tips of each screw. Now lift up the vertical U-bars and hold them in place by hooking the support stands to the crossbar. Proceed to install all 8 cradles. Finally, prep the wheel straps by sliding in the padding to each strap and then install each set of strap and buckle to each location. Now the installation is complete. Let's go over how properly to load and store the bikes. First, when you load your bikes, the heaviest bikes are the closest to the rear of the vehicle to maintain the center of gravity. Also, you should stagger the direction to which each bike faces so the handlebars and pedals don't get in the way of the adjacent bikes. Next, there are 3 ways that help tie your bike down. Wheel straps for each wheel, straps on the vertical bars to secure the down tube or crossovers of your bike, and also the rack comes with a long nylon strap to help tie the entire payload down to reduce any movement while traveling.